I like it. I think it's very nice. Much, much better than the other one. Don't you agree? What do you think of it? Today we were in Bonaire, one of the ABC islands. Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao. We did a tour with Shore Excursions Group, which ended up being subcontracted out to a company here called...
Oh, I'd have to look it up. Adventure
something? Tropical Adventures.
Yeah.
Anyway, it was billed as salt mines and slave huts, and basically a big drive around the island. And we had a great tour guide. There was, 7 of us, I think, in just a minivan, and we drove all around the southern end of the island, which it turns out is like 25 miles long and 5 miles wide. And
not big.
Not a big place. And so we went to the salt mine at first and got out, walked around there for a while. It was fun. Got a big chunk of salt to play with, and they told us a little bit about how it is mined there. Right, and here it is. And so then we went from there to then we went from there to the slave huts, right, which were just kind of cement and about 5.5 feet tall and about 4 by 5 inside. Very, very small. They had like 10 of these kind of preserved on the shore just to, look at. And we got back in there, and then we went out toward a lighthouse. That was the next stop, and there was a lot of flamingos walking around on the left. That was fun to see them. And we were at the lighthouse, and the lighthouse was just a lighthouse. It's like 75 feet high, but there were some very friendly donkeys that came walking in out of the mangrove and wanted to kind of hang out for a while. I think people must feed them because, they were kind of like asking for apples or carrots or whatever we might have with us.
That whole side of the road was protected area for the flamingos, goats, little miniature donkeys. We were not invited to walk in that area.
No, but they came walking over by us.
They were not afraid of us.
Not at all. They were very friendly. So then we got back in the minivan and did the rest of the loop, and they brought us back. It was, I think, 2 hours all in. We stopped at a beach on the way. It was a great beach. A lot of kite
Sebastian
surfing. Sebastian Beach. A lot of kite surfing.
Several protected areas for seagrass were kind of portioned off limits, but huge area of kite sailing or kite windsurfing, whatever you call it. What do you call that? Kite surfing.
Kiteboard.
Kite surfing?
I think it's kiteboarding. I'll have to look it up. All right. Anyway, a lot of kiteboarding going on there, I think it's called. And you could, the thing is, you could walk out 3 blocks out into the ocean and you're still up to your waist. So when you fall over on your kiteboard, nobody cares. You just stand up and hop back on it. So
lots and lots and lots of beaches along the journey today, and lots of people just walking in and scuba and snorkeling. Yep,
just miles of all the different named beaches that she's like, this is this beach, this is that beach, and you see people just getting scuba gear ready on the side of the road, and they just walk in and start scuba diving. It's beautiful. Like, you can't find a place that's bad scuba diving. So definitely a scuba diving mecca. So now we're back, and that's it. I'll do some